IVC Filter. Introduction. Please point to the IVC. Choose one of the following options. Correct. Deep vein thrombosis is a blood clot in a vein. Select true or false. Correct. Deep vein thrombosis is caused by slow blood flow. It can lead to a pulmonary embolism, which is a serious condition that could cause death. If people who are at risk for blood clots are not able to take blood-thinning medications, an IVC filter may be recommended. Select true or false. Correct. An IVC filter is used when you cannot take medications to thin your blood. It may also be used if you are taking blood thinners and you continue to develop blood clots. Is it okay to eat and drink on the day of your procedure? Select yes or no. Correct. Do not eat or drink anything after midnight on the day of your procedure. Ask your healthcare provider if you can drink clear liquids. Paul had an IVC filter placed in his body. His legs are swelling painfully. What should he do? Choose one of the following options. 1. Contact his healthcare provider right away. 2. Rest at home until he feels better. Correct. Paul's IVC filter may be filled with blood clots, which could be causing his legs to swell. This could be a serious complication. He should contact his healthcare provider right away. You should not drink alcohol or drive a car for at least 24 hours after your IVC filter is inserted. Select true or false. Correct. After your IVC filter is inserted, you should be able to resume your normal activities in 24 hours. Thank you for using Explain.